When you lose your home, there's almost nothing that can ever make you loved, happy, or satisfied. However, this exclusive section of Duo surely has another story to tell. These two have nothing but each other in their life, and it seems like that is all they need. He cares nothing about the world, and his human cares only about him. Look at the man's blood-smeared fingernails that reek the pain, that which is soothed only with the touch of his lovely pup. For these two, it doesn't matter what the world thinks unless they have each other. And none shall dare to harm any human. Wrapped in the warmth of each other, these two seem to be giving the hardest fight to the ice-cold weather. "Stop staring at my master, you," says this lovely Auburn dog. "Little belly massage for you and butterfly kisses for me." Even if the world has a nuclear war party, these two will not be shaken from their love spot. What more can these two little furballs want more than the most genuine warmth on this homeless man's chest? This is the Egyptian god Anunnaki. "Don't worry, Bow Wow. I'm stitching you a new sweater. Forget your stolen sweater now." This is definitely bigger than life. They lull each other to sleep every night. This furball is surely happy to have his human now. "I'll be your bucket stand, Daddy. Please share this with your friends and family."